How would you like to save hundreds of dollars on your truck scale? Your company's truck scales can be one of the most expensive pieces of equipment it owns. Obviously, the upfront costs can be high, but there are also other costs to consider, like periodic service and the results from any inaccurate readings. As we've discussed before, just a graduation or two of error per truck can be the equivalent of giving away hundreds or even thousands of dollars in product. That's why it's important to have your scales checked on a regular basis by an experienced scale company. However, there are a number of things that you, the scale owner, can do as well. For example, one of a truck scale's most common problems is buildup of dirt or gravel under the scale. And that is something that you, the scale owner, can easily take care of at virtually no expense. Here are a few other things you can do to ensure the effectiveness of your scale between regular scale checks. Number 1, inspect the overall condition of the scale. Stand back and look at the overall scale system. Do the approaches look good on both ends? Is there buildup under the weighbridge? Do the cables look secure? Is the rubber T-strip in good condition on each end of the scale? Number 2, check each end of the scale and the gap between the weighbridge and the pit wall. The numbers can vary slightly from manufacturer to manufacturer, but you should aim for around a 1/4 inch gap. If your scale is in a pit, make sure the gaps on the sides of the scale look good too. Does the rubber T-strip need to be replaced? Number 3, check the weighbridge. Look for any rusting, corrosion, or structural defects. If you notice something early on, it might be possible to repair it and extend the life of your truck scale. Number 4, look for any rodent damage. This might surprise some folks, but one of the number 1 problems with truck scales is where rodents chew on load cell cables. Especially at locations like feed mills, it's often fairly easy to find. Just look for frayed or chewed up wires. Doing these visual checks periodically costs you virtually nothing and can help extend the life of your truck scale. I hope this video has helped you. For more info, be sure to visit centralcarolinascale.com. Thanks for watching.